Welcome to my That Muffin Art channel. Begin by lightly sketching an oval or circle for the head. Then draw a straight line down the center of the page to represent the spine. Add a slightly curved line across the top of the spine for the shoulders. From the shoulders, draw two lines sloping outwards to represent the sides of the torso. Connect these lines with a curved line at the bottom to create the lower back. Remember that the torso narrows slightly as it approaches the waist. Extend two lines from the shoulders for the upper arms, curving them slightly outwards to indicate the natural position of the arms when at rest. Then sketch the forearms by drawing thinner lines that taper towards the wrist. Add circles at the end of the forearms to represent the hands. Define the curves of the back by adding lines to indicate the spine and the shoulders blade. The spine will be a slightly curved line running down the center of the back, while the shoulder blades can be represented by two oval shapes. Erase any unnecessary guidelines and refine the outlines of the figure. Add details such as clothing, wrinkles if applicable to make the drawing more realistic. Pay attention to shading to create depth and dimension. Sketch the hair falling over the back considering factors like length, texture, and style. You can use flowing lines to represent the strands of hair cascading down the back. Take a step back and access your drawing. Make any final adjustment to ensure that the proportion and details are accurate. Remember to practice regularly and be patient with yourself. Drawing takes time and dedication to improve. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Keep refining your skills and you will continue to progress. Thanks for watching this video.